think that men need a tongue to speak, the same woman's storm of words, where does it even end? And to beautify these very eyes, for centuries we have been using kajal, without which a woman's adornment is considered incomplete. So, let me show you how kajal and eyeliner, which protect from the evil eye and enhance a woman's beauty, are made in a factory. To make this, three main types of chemicals are used. One is aqua, one is pigmentation, color C, and along with that, black oxide and similar chemicals are also used. All these chemicals are poured into this machine, and the machine is left to rotate like this for 2 hours. After 2 hours, our eyeliner and kajal are ready. The mixed solution is then poured well into the drum and rotated so that all the chemicals mix properly. This ensures that when you apply it to your eyes, it enhances their beauty even more. Now, it will be poured into small plastic bottles, and then the process of filling the vials one by one will begin. Let me tell you, kajal has been used in our country for thousands of years. But nowadays, it's the era of chemically infused kajal because girls today prefer kajal in every color, red, yellow, blue, green, to apply inside and above their eyes. Here, you can see that all the glass vials are being taken out and placed outside. Glass vials are used because the kajal and liner last longer in them. Now, the process of filling each vial one by one will begin because it's very soothing to watch. It makes you want to keep filling them like this while I just keep watching. Here, you can see the bottle being refilled again, and then the process of filling each vial resumes. If you're wondering what the difference between eyeliner and kajal is, let me explain. Kajal is applied inside the eyes and is usually very thick, while eyeliner is applied above the eyes. Earlier, kajal was only applied on the forehead, above the eyes, and behind the ears to ward off the evil eye. But nowadays, girls apply it as a symbol of beauty, as if wearing it will make them look like Miss Universe. Here, you can see that each vial has been filled with the black chemical mixture. Now comes the step of attaching the brush. The small brush you see here is used to apply this chemical mixture above or inside the eyes. Each vial will be fitted with this brush, and then comes the step of putting on the cap. Here, you can see the brush has been inserted. Now, the larger cap will be placed on each vial one by one, sealing them completely. Now, the eyeliner is ready. The next step is packaging. For this, large boxes have been brought. Each box will be filled with the eyeliner vials. First, the boxes are taken out and arranged. Then, each box is picked up and the prepared eyeliner vial is placed inside before sealing it. This is how each vial is packed into a box. Because no matter how beautiful the product is, if the packaging isn't attractive, people won't buy it. Here, the eyeliner is fully ready. So, how did you like watching kajal and eyeliner being made? Do let us know in the comments.